Hey, it's Michelle from The Salty Spirit. So we're going to learn how to drill sea glass. There are a ton of videos out there on how to do it. I've been doing it a long time, and my technique is tried and true. It's nothing fancy, but it works. So you're going to need a piece of sea glass, okay? I have a really nice piece here that I found on one of the beautiful beaches of Long Island out here on the North Shore. But if this is one of your first times doing this, you don't want to use your prettiest piece of sea glass because it could break. Okay, so try on something that's maybe a little rugged, jagged. So what you're going to need: sea glass. You're going to need water. You're going to need the top portion of a to-go container. Okay, and of course you're going to need a drill. So I use the Dremel handheld drill, and it's actually placed inside of a Dremel Work Station. Really, really easy to use, and it's really not that expensive. So I'm going to show in my description where are the best places to buy these things. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. Something I forgot to mention, very important, you need goggles when you're drilling anything, okay? So you can get these at the Dollar Tree, pretty easy to find, so you definitely want to wear those. Put those on. Okay, so here's my piece of sea glass. So I chose green, and I put a little dot on it to show where I'm going to be drilling. It's just a good focal point to have. I wouldn't just eyeball it if you're starting out. So the water that's in this top portion of the to-go container is filled with water, and it's filled just over the sea glass. Okay? All right, so you're going to kind of line it up there, see that it comes down. Okay. And here we go. I'm turning it on to number 4 speed. And I'm going to take my lever and start to bring it down. So again, this is a handheld Dremel inside of a Dremel workstation. Just keeps it nice and precise. So I'm making contact. Now I'm starting to massage. Okay, I am not pressing straight down. I am not rushing through this. A little like kind of like a pressing release, press release, press release. Press release. Don't tense up. Relax your shoulders, relax your neck. Believe me, you don't want to get a neck ache. And it's through. Okay, so this piece of sea glass was not that thick. Okay, obviously the thicker the piece of sea glass is, the longer it's going to take. What I like to do with a thicker piece of sea glass is I start to drill it, drill it, drill it. When I feel like it's maybe halfway through, I turn it over, and you can actually see through the piece of glass where to line it up and continue. That minimizes breakage, cracking, but it should be fine just drilling it straight through on one side, unless it's like super, super thick. Okay, so again, in the description, you will see what kind of drill bit I use, best places to get a Dremel and the workstation. Okay, it's not really going to break the bank, so hopefully you can purchase one and start drilling sea glass. Okay, subscribe, please. Thank you.